Hi everyone, I'm Catherine Heller and I am thrilled to welcome you to Math 300 Linear Algebra. Linear Algebra is one of the highlights of the major. It is a great course transitioning in between your lower level calculus courses and your upper level more theoretical courses. There's a lot of theory we're going to get into, your own proof writing, but then also plenty of computation and real world applications, everything from the math behind Google PageRank and the way we rank sports teams, to taking a look at the algorithm that Netflix uses to decide what recommendations to give you of TV shows and movies that they think you'll like next. So lots of really fun, exciting topics in this course. Well, the purpose of this video is just to go over a little bit of the logistics for our course and also to alert you to 4 tasks that I would like for you to complete before our first day of class. Don't worry, they're all really quick. Logistics first. So our course is being offered as an in-person course. That just means that our enrollment is small enough that we can all safely fit inside the classroom while adhering to proper social distancing guidelines. However, even though the best way to really engage with the course is certainly to be in person and to be really present there physically, in-person attendance will never be required for lectures for my course. So certainly if you have been in contact with someone who has the coronavirus, if you are feeling ill, or if you just feel more comfortably watching lectures remotely, then you are welcome to do that. I'll be streaming them using Blackboard Collaborate, and you are always welcome to watch lectures remotely if you feel more comfortable doing so. If you do choose to attend lectures in person, then you will, of course, be expected to wear your mask and to keep proper distance from your classmates for everyone's safety. All right, so that's a little bit of the logistics to talk more about how you'll watch lectures remotely and those 4 tasks I need you to do before our first day of class. We're going to hop on over to Blackboard, so let's go.
Okay, so here I am at our college's Blackboard page. If you are new to North Central, it's blackboard.nocontrol.edu, and you'll start just by logging in with your North Central username and password. And then you're going to find our course, which is Linear Algebra. Okay, so the first thing I want you to find over here on our tabs is the tab for online meetings. And so if you need to watch a lecture remotely at some point in time, that's where you're going to go. You're going to go to that online meetings tab. You will see an option for class lecture. And you come over here and click on that circle with the 3 dots, and you'll see the option to join session. So if at any point in time you need to watch lectures remotely, that's how you're going to do it. A couple things to keep in mind for if you are going to be watching lectures remotely. The first is always make sure that you have your microphone muted unless you are asking a question or making a comment. That just helps reduce feedback and also can help you avoid any embarrassing situations. The other thing to keep in mind is just to be mindful of your appearance in case you need to turn on your camera at some point in time. Now, I don't care whether you watch lectures in your PJs or a prom dress, but just want to make sure that everything is always appropriate, please. One other thing I want to point out while we're here, if you ever miss lecture or you want to just go back and re-watch a lecture, right here on this online meetings tab up at the top you see these 3 horizontal white bars. That's the menu, and if you click on the menu you see an option for recordings, and so that's where all of the class lectures will be available for you to be able to go back and re-watch later if you need to at any point in time. All right, great. Okay, now to those 4 tasks that you need to complete before the first day of class. And for all 4 of those, we're going to come up to the Course Documents tab on the left side. So if we go to Course Documents, the first thing you need to do, if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll notice all of the slides for the entire course are available here, and I strongly encourage you to print those out and to have those with you so that you can take notes directly on the slides. So for the first day of class, where it says Chapter 1 slides, Section 1.1, if you just click on that link, then here are the slides for the very first lecture. And when I print these, they're kind of created that if you do them on 2 slides per page, then that should give you plenty of room to take notes. So that's task number 1. You are encouraged to print the slides for section 1.1 for the first day of class. For task number 2, if you'll come up to where it says Course Syllabus, you can click on that link. And here you see the syllabus for the course, and so you should take just a couple of minutes to read through that syllabus, familiarize yourself with the course policies, and prepare any questions that you have for the first day of class. So task number 2 is to read the course syllabus. Task number 3, down just a little bit, you see the link to our course WebWork page. So task number 3, you're going to go to WebWork. You're going to log in. Now initially, your username and your password are the first part of your North Central email address. And so you're going to log into WebWork, and I would like for you to go to WebWork 1 and to complete problem 1 from WebWork 1. Now all that does is that just makes sure everyone's login is working properly before the semester even begins. All right, so that's task number 3. Now, once you have done all of those things, once you have printed your slides for the first day of class, you have read the syllabus for the course, and you have logged into WebWork and completed problem 1 from WebWork 1, then you are ready for your final task of the course, which is the course contract. So, if you click on this link, I would like for you to read and complete the course contract. Now, you have 2 options for submitting this course contract. The first is just to bring your completed contract with you on the first day of class, and you may hand in the paper copy of this contract on the first day of class. Or if you would rather submit your course contract electronically, then you may do this right here on Blackboard using this link. If you would like some tips for scanning a document, if you go to the Homework tab on Blackboard, you will see instructions on how to use an iPhone or an Android phone for scanning documents. And if you don't have an iPhone or an Android phone, or you just run into any problem scanning, just feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help you troubleshoot being able to do that. Okay, so that's it. Those are your 4 tasks. You're going to print the slides for the first day of class. You're going to read the course syllabus. You're going to log into WebWork and complete problem 1 from WebWork 1. And then you're going to complete your course contract and either hand in the paper copy of your course contract on the first day of class or upload your course contract right here in Blackboard. All right, well, that's all for now. Please feel free to reach out with any questions that you may have. Otherwise, I can't wait to meet you guys in just a few weeks. Thanks, guys.